Well, hello everyone. My name is Keith Narazinski, co-founder of Quicksilver, and today I wanted to produce a brief video to do an unboxing of the coins that we're currently putting out at random through our Auto Wealth Delivery program here in the month of September 2020. Now, in front of me and you, I have a box of, it's called a mini monster box of Australian kangaroo coins. The year 2020 is the coin that's going out currently. And so let's go ahead and crack one open. You can see these are all sealed directly from the Perth Mint for security. They have, if you look closely, you can see the Perth Mint Swan. That's their icon, part of their logo, on the security bands. Okay, now, these coins come in, again, mini monster boxes of 250 coins. Inside of the box, we have tubes of 25, each with their own individual security bands, kind of a hologram, if you will. And so let's go ahead and crack one of these guys open. They're a little bit cracked open from shipping. You know, they get unsettled, and sometimes the security bands even crack, as you can see. But let's go ahead and pull out some other ones so you can see they're all sealed. Oh, there's one. See that? You know, that happens in shipping. This is heavy, and so that's why they put the outer bands on it as well. Okay, let me go ahead and pull some of these guys out. So here we have the Australian kangaroo. Not sure if that's backwards to you. There it is. And that features a red kangaroo, the giant red kangaroo in Australia. The field has kind of a sunburst in it, as well as the name of the coin, the kangaroo, and its weight and purity, 49 fine, has a special security feature. You can watch the coin video about this coin on our website, and it talks about that security feature that you'll see very, very small inside of the coin. It's got a little P for the Perth Mint. Okay, so that is the Australian kangaroo, and this is one box of numerous boxes of the kangaroo that we procured for the month of September's Auto Wealth Delivery coin. Let me just put these kangaroos back in their cage, put these off to the side, and get the next coin. Bear with me. All right, next up, let's see. Let's go with this. This is a box from, many of you might recognize this logo, the Scottsdale Mint. And the Scottsdale Mint puts out some great products. We'll be doing more of them in the future as we progress. And they come in cardboard with 5 coins on each. I don't have one available because we already had these pre-prepped. They come in individual capsules straight from the Scottsdale Mint. And let me go ahead and pop one of these open. We had these prepped a couple weeks ago in advance of, well, probably the last week of August in preparation for September's Auto Wealth Delivery. And this is the 2019 Barbados Trident. Really, really cool coin. Has an awesome little design, kind of a swirl. Every year, the background or the field that's around the Trident has a different design. And in 2019, it kind of has that swirl you can see in the coin. So they come in capsules, and that's why we have them wrapped in foam to preserve and protect them in transit to you. On the back, it has the crest of Barbados, and let's see if I can get a little tight shot on that. There you go. Turn it around. There you go. It's absolutely stunning coin. It's mid-September right now. These coins, I looked them up on the web, and they're selling out there for anywhere between $38 and $45. I saw out there. Current, as of this recording, our current Auto Wealth price, $33.97 per coin. Can't go wrong. So absolutely stunning coin going out at random through our Auto Wealth Delivery in the month of September 2020. Let's go ahead and put this guy away. So this box has, they come in 125. There's cardboard, and they're all stuck to the cardboard with plastic shrink wrap. And then I have them unpackaged by some of our staff and wrapped in foam, again, to protect that type of coin because it comes in that plastic capsule. So these are all ready to go. All right, now the next coin and third and final coin that we are rotating through our Auto Wealth Delivery program this month of September is the American Silver Eagle. Now, this is a monster box, the original monster box, guys. Right from the U.S. Mint. In fact, this is mint strapped, and these straps are West Point mint. So these particular Silver Eagles were produced at the West Point Mint, and other coins are produced in other mints of the U.S., like the San Francisco Mint and Philadelphia and so forth. So these particular coins are denoted as coming from the West Point Mint. In fact, these are backdates, which are pretty cool because not everybody has their full collection. This stamp here shows that these are 2015s. That peeled up a little bit. There we go, 2015s. So 2015s, you know, depending on where you're looking, many times backdated coins are carry a higher premium because a lot of collectors are looking for them to fill in a gap in their collection. And so that's why you might see a 2020 for, you know, I don't know, right now about $33, $35, and a back date as much as around $40 for a 2015. I seen them going just recently, 38 to 40, even 42, depending on where you're looking. So let's go ahead and crack open. Now, these come in monster boxes from the United States Mint. Probably have this backwards. Let's see if I can turn this around for you. All right, so get this in the view. All right, so we pop this open. Well protected inside of this heavy plastic monster box. And these come in tubes of 20 and straight from the mint. So there's tubes of 20. There's 500 in all. Let's go ahead and see if I can open one of these up. Give you a little peek. All right. This is the America's flagship silver bullion coin, the American Silver Eagle. Absolutely stunning. Let me go ahead and set these guys down. Try to be careful with them. And give you a look. So that is what they call the Walking Liberty. Originally featured on Walking Halves, Liberty Halves in the early part of the century, and brought back to life by the U.S. bullion program, signed into law in 1986 by Mr. President Ronald Reagan, and to bring back constitutional money. If you look into the Constitution, I believe it's Article 2, Section 8, talks about only that, therefore, of gold and silver shall be coined as money or deemed money. And so it's God's money here, and Ronald Reagan brought the Silver Eagle because of its popularity, the Walking Liberty. They put that image onto the American Silver Eagle coin. It shows Lady Liberty kind of walking on water, if you will, holding a bouquet, as well as being wrapped in an American flag with the sun in the background. There's a video on the website where you found this video, as well on quicksilver.me in our product section. Go be sure to watch that video. Then on the back is the seal of the United States. 13 stars representing the first 13 colonies, and so forth. So absolutely stunning coins. This, again, is a box of 2015s. I believe we procured 4 or 5 boxes of 2015, so that's predominantly what's going out. There could be another random year in the mix. You never know. But that's the fun of your Auto Wealth Delivery. Coins in your mailbox, securely, discreetly arriving, and you never know what you're going to get. So the more you get, the more fun it is. I encourage you to keep stacking out there, and look forward to our October coins coming up in a couple weeks' time. Bye for now.